Sure, Audi have the massage seat option, but you don't know how to use it. No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to use the massage function in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. The massage seat option can be simply activated by using the control lever on the outboard side of the seat. When using the control lever, the available massage options will be directly shown on the Audi MMI screen. By using the up or down arrow, you can select the massage function to your preference, wave, stretch or knead, or simply turn off the massage function. By using the left or right arrow, you can adjust the intensity of the massage. Once set, the massage will continue for 10 minutes and then automatically turn off. To restart the massage function again, simply press this button on the side of the seat. The last settings will be retained. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.